Okay, in this video we observe our electronic logs, log 01-103.TT. This log comes in this kind of metal housing with a plastic material, and this back set with batteries and the latch. And first, the first thing we need to be sure the batteries are installed. The log supplies without batteries, and you just need to install 4 pieces of AA batteries. This log activates with a touch, so you need to touch it and it starts working. This log works from both some readers of RFID signal, like a bracelet or card, and also this log works from the app. Okay, and to operate this log we need a app which should be connected to this CAM log. And this is our app. Its name is TT log. We should enter it and fill our profile. Okay, this is our CAM log, and now we should add it to our app. So what should we do for that? We should connect it with Bluetooth, and we should use our phone. It's TT log. Open this and click to add devices, and we can just go all logs, and we should switch it on, our log. As soon as it's switched on, you can see it, and now you can add this log, have a special signal, and then we just enter the name and other details. Okay, so the log is added, and its name is EL01-103.TT. Now let's check what can we do with that. To check the options, we need to enter the log, and now we can see some options here like e-keys, passcodes, cards, remote, and so on. So we can add some cards to operate with this log. We can choose the passcodes and other stuff. And the most popular option for this log is electronic keys, e-keys, which allows you to share the access with your customer. For example, if you're a gym or school or some other company, you can just share the access with the codes with the customer via iPhone or via just another smartphone via SMS. So let's try to do this. Go e-keys and choose send e-key. Now we have also some options, variety, so we can use limited time, one time, permanent, or recurrent. Let's go just limited time now. Yeah, so we can choose the start time, which is the current time, and the end time. We can choose any actually start time and end time. So let's do this. Just 1 hour duration, and choose the. And we can choose the contact right from your phone. Okay, the contact is chosen. No, not chosen yet. Let's try it again. Alright, so this is done. Okay, so to share the access, we should write some contact number or email where should we send the code to. And we have here the contacts, your contacts, list of contacts, which is quite convenient, so we can choose the contact you want and get the number, extract the phone number, paste it, and send. This is now complete. So now we have shared with our customer the code, the access to this log, and let's check how it works now. So we enter the app and find the log, and it shows us like to touch to unlock. We touch and it was unlocked. It was unlocked. Wait for some 5 seconds or so, and then latch goes back to be able to lock the door.